I'm gonna turn this into a beautiful planted tank. But before that, let me tell you why I started this channel. Hey everyone, I'm Shanup and welcome to Aquafinscape. Aquascaping started as a hobby for me. Like everyone else, I made plenty of mistakes. Wrong plants, algae, poor layout. But every mistake taught me something. Then I realized the best part about this hobby was not just building aquariums, it was learning and sharing what actually works. I started this channel because I wanted a place where beginners could learn aquascaping without any complications. I also post weekly aquarium guides on my Instagram, so do check out that. And this is where our journey begins. This 60 centimeter aquarium will be my new project. I'll be documenting every step. I do have something planned out for this one. It should turn into something beautiful. For this build, I'll be using ADA Power Sand, Amazonia version 2 Aqua Soil, Aqualit substrate. It's something similar to Power Sand, and I'll be using APT Start as well for some extra nutrients and beneficial bacteria. I'll explain everything in the upcoming video where we'll build this aquarium and turn into something beautiful. If you're interested, do subscribe. Your support matters a lot. So see you in the next one.